now they have like the ones for whatever you can pick. It's a lottery. Pick any lottery. Don't say loud, just say it loud. It's okay. I want you to honestly think about the lottery. I want you to think of the color. The size lottery. How many, what's its worth, what's its cost. I ended up getting number 9, and I got it like that. First try. Oh, gangster.
Fuck yeah, bitches, I got that apple. Fuck yeah, I got second kill and I'm on fucking final stand, bitches. Okay, no one fucking come for me. Ooh, bitches! Anybody else want a fucking piece of my apple? Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude! I fucking sat there shooting that fucking asshole for 1,000 times and it said victory.
I'm watching this stream.
I hope I get stop. The game's over. It doesn't show final kill. Hey, I got Living Dead, which looks exactly like Toxic.